Here comes Andre Stevens, which you don't know, say I'm very fond of Andre Stevens, but we're gonna call a spade a spade. Here comes Andre Stevens calling out Miss Kitty for what I do not know. But Andre Stevens said that Miss Kitty is fake because she been knew that she been knew that she's pregnant. She knew that she was pregnant, and she's coming on the air to pretend as if, you know, it's the first time, and you know, it's a new, you know, she just get pregnant and the belly hole and all of these things. And I'm just sitting here thinking to myself, what does that have to do with we? What does that have to do with you? You know, you are the last person, Andre Stevens, you are the last person for come out on social media and tell somebody say them fake. The last time me check, I never you record people without their knowledge. I never you record people without their consent. And never you you manipulated people over the phone for divulge information that you would one day use as ammunition to cripple them. I know you right now is being sued, right? Well, you have to pay damages, isn't it? Because of things where you say. You put out false information out there and people sue you. Then who faker than you? As much as me like you, I gotta tell you the truth. You know, might not like it. I don't might think say sell out and betrayal or whatever. Listen, as me say, nobody come with that. You understand? You say you talk the truth and people don't want to talk the truth. Well, me, I gotta tell you the truth. As far as me concerned, you are the fakest person in a social media right now. Because we trusted you. The masses trusted you. We were leaning on you. We were depending on you. But yet still, you recorded someone without their permission. And a dancehall queen entrusted you with vital information. Dancehall queen Carlene was divulging information where she shouldn't even tell you in the first place. She shouldn't keep it for herself. Girl code, confidentiality. And she tell you she was trusting you with this information. And before we know it, it gone out. You made the decision to, you are going to come and say, you were advised. People tell you, say, if somebody tell you to jump off a cliff, you're going to do it? Are you going to do it? Knowing say you're going to drop and pop your neck and die. You got dead it. Are you going to do it? But still, you did that. Right? You did that. Because you had the intention to use the information as a weapon to wound the next person. Right? So nobody come on social media, come tell nobody say they're fake. Don't do it. You're going to come say, fake. Fake for what? Fake for her coming on the air. This is the station where she get her bread and butter. Right? And she have her audience. Right? Fans, supporters. People will admire her look. And she's sharing her excitement. She's reenacting. Right? Therefore, her unborn baby, when that baby born, right? And when the baby grow up and have sense, the baby can watch on the internet and read the beautiful comments, right? We're living in a day and age where we share everything with the public. That's why you have photos, videos, reels, posts, because you write posts, motivating posts, or whatever way you're feeling. They ask you, how are you feeling? You know, and you can write how you're feeling. There's emojis and all of that to show how you're feeling. It's there. It's like a, you know, like a video, like a video log. You know what I mean? Like, you know, you're documenting, you know, what goes on, right, on a daily basis if you choose to post daily, right? That's what you're doing. And she's reenacting. Right? And it's still a beautiful moment. You're going to see, you know, that little image. And you're going to be like, oh my God. No matter if you see it 10 times for the day, you're going to like, oh my God. That's so, oh, you know, you might have even shed tear. You know, because you're so happy. You don't know what she went through prior to her getting pregnant, you don't know if she had struggles. You don't know. You understand? So even if she go on like she excited or whatever, let's celebrate that. Let's celebrate that. Why would you come out? You know, the thing is, you've got such a large audience and you're such an influential person as well. Well, to me, no, not anymore, if I'm being honest. You understand? Because of the things and what you do. Right? So I'm not really see you in a certain light anymore. And I'm just being honest. Right? I like you as a person, but the things and what you do is foul. Right? They're foul. So me not really look on you in other way. So nobody come and tell the lady that she fake because she's sharing with the public her excitement. She's reenacting. You understand? She's vlogging. She's sharing it with us. And that's why people don't want to share certain things. That's why you see me study the media. You know? That's why you see me. No matter where me achieve, no matter where me buy, no matter where me go, I don't post it. Because someone wanna chat too much. You can't just say congratulations and move right along. You understand? In this case, there was nothing to dissect or there's nothing to scrutinize. Right? The fact of the matter, whether you want things say, oh, she do a shotgun wedding or whatever before, because maybe you're looking and say, okay, she's always saying man have to put a ring on her finger before she, you know, before she get pregnant or whatever. I don't care. Whether the baby come first or second, or the marriage come first or second, the fact of the matter is that the man was responsible enough to stand beside her and, like I said before, make an honest woman out of her. Because, sweetheart, look around you. 3/4 will not have no father. Right? The man them breed we up and run down about them business. So we, our people, we're a butt of a joke. We are the butt of a joke because fatherless. We don't have no father. You understand? So you know that joke where other ethnicity make about we is about us not having our dads around. You know that painful one where it's so selfish for them to make that joke? Yes. Because no father not around. So the fact is that he been new, as how the Americans them talk, he been new, say she want to get married, right? She need that ring on her finger, right? So yes, they were having unprotected sex. Not for we do it. That's why we have babies and we're not married. You understand? Because we have unprotected sex and the man them gone left we. So they were dating for quite some time. They're not new to this, and the relationship not new. It's new to we, but new to them. They've been going out. They've been having unprotected sex, and we don't know if they actually planned. Suppose they want to see if something are going down there. So you understand? Before them tie the knot. We don't know. We don't know the people them business, but the outcome is beautiful, and at that we want more of that. We don't want fatherless children. We don't want, what you did that, what you would have prefer? You would have prefer and get her pregnant and run down left her and not married to her, none at all. That you would have want. Then we would have chat, and this one would have chat. But he value her so much. He value what she believes in and what she stands for, and even himself as well. Maybe because I'm not the first time I get married. So for sure you say him believe in the whole constitution of marriage. You understand? For no say, yo, me go take a woman and call her my wife. You understand? He's done it before, so he's not the type of, he doesn't seem like the type of person based on his track record to just have a woman a yard and not commit to her. Whether it's a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, that's how I'm believing and she believe in that as well. That's what they both believe in. They believe in a marriage. So no matter, Andre, if the baby, right, or it doesn't matter. She got what she wanted. And they're both happy. And that's all that matters. And they share the experience with her, with us. Right? And I'm happy that they share the experience with us. I'm not care if she come out tomorrow morning and behave surprised again. Elated and shocked. And, oh my God, like, me not care. Because I'm feeling like that. Yes. Yes. You know how hard it is for some women to get pregnant? You know how hard? And some women, so many women all around the world, them still can't conceive. So let's not, I could just dead it now. I could just dead it now. You see, when you see somebody come out like, and then get pregnant, no matter how, right? Let's just celebrate. Let's celebrate. And this is something to celebrate. Alright? And this is something where we need to encourage people. Me tell them already. Married. Don't run away. You know? Be committed. Be faithful. Right? Raise your children in love. You know? Harmony. A healthy environment. And this child, by God's grace, are going to have a healthy environment. We should be praying for them, Andre. We should be praying for them. Miss Kitty did nothing wrong in this case. You understand? Like me say, whether the baby come first or second, marriage first or second, it doesn't matter. She still get what she want. Right? She still get what she want. These two people, they are successful people. Right? Them baby now gonna lack her want nothing as far as me concerned, based on what me see. So, dead it, man. Leave it alone. Don't speak on certain things. Right? Them always say sometimes we have to stay in our own lane or we think before we speak. It goes for all of us, me included as well. Right? This one wasn't your territory. You know, if you come and tell nobody say they're fake. Don't do it.